Suzhou Die Heavy Forging Fast Forging Hydraulic Unit adopts pre-stressed 4-column frame upward pressing structure. The 4-column frame structure can provide better anti-bias loadability with heavier forging capacity. The upward pressing structure, compared with the pull-down structure, has the advantage of small moving parts, so it is easy to control the forging accuracy and increase the forging frequency under the condition of high-speed stroke. More economical and energy-saving. Fast forging hydraulic press is mainly applied to special alloys, such as supralloy, titanium alloy, non-ferrous metals, and other forging temperature range narrow and expensive materials forging production. Commonly used equipment specifications from 630 tons to 15,000 tons. Die Heavy Forging Fast Forging Hydraulic Unit is mainly consists of main machine, moving table, lateral anvil device, anvil quick change device, operator, high frequency response proportional hydraulic control system, digitalized electrical control system. The equipment working tonnage table can be customized according to customer product demand. The working speed can reach 300 mm per second, and the fast forging frequency can reach 120 times per minute, reaching the international advanced level. The electrical control system of the equipment is integrated and controlled by the industrial computer and adopts the Profinet Ethernet industrial control bus system structure, which can realize the full closed-loop digital control of pressure, speed and position. The hydraulic control system of the equipment uses high-frequency response sensing technology and electro-hydraulic proportional control technology, and consists of the main pump system, the main control system, the auxiliary control system, the large flow circulation filtration system, the liquid charging and discharging system, and so on.